I hope you're not watching this because you have a leak under your sink, but in case you do, this is how you shut off the reverse osmosis system. Very important. At Angel, we love to label everything. So there's a label here, reverse osmosis shutoff. We want to turn that one clockwise. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So we're going to be turning everything to the right. Now it gets a little more complicated back here. You can see there's an angle stop back there. That's called an angle stop. It's feeding the cold side of the kitchen sink, and it's also feeding the reverse osmosis. So we've gone ahead and labeled that, and all you got to do is turn that to the right, and now the water's off for the whole RO, and you don't have anything to worry about. Any leaking that's going on, it should stop in a matter of seconds. Now keep in mind, we always install alarms. This is an alarm that actually needs a 9-volt battery to be replaced every year. And we have a whole house, whole RO shutoff. What that means is it's got sensors on the bottom, if you can see that there. If it senses water, it's going to go ahead and turn off the RO. There's a valve back there that shuts automatically, but there are cases where the water didn't travel to that shutoff. That's why we put paper underneath it, and sometimes, as you can see over here, we have a little black rubber mat, so it sort of collects it, so we can actually make sure that it puddles enough to turn it off. That's how you turn it off. You can also just make sure that it's off by turning it on, and you can see it stops doing that right off the bat, and it just starts dripping. That way we know that the reverse osmosis system is off. We hope that helps you. We hope you don't have that problem. If you do, give us a call, because we do have 24-hour service. We do try to reach back out to you. When it comes to the RO, if that stops it, if you could do us a favor, not call us in the middle of the night, because you can live without drinking water for a short period of time. Hope this helps you all. If you need any help, call us at 847-382-7800, or you can reach us at the web at angelwater.com. As you know, I'm Drew. I'm here to serve you.